welcome to Netcruzer Cars. I'm at EUROKRACY and I'm taking the Jag down the drag strip. I'm currently queued up in line right now. Look at, there's an Rivian R1S. Is that considered European? I don't know. I guess it is. Made in Europe. Are they built in Europe? I think they are. Anyway, this is built in Britain, and this will be my 4th run. Yeah, I'm about to go on my 4th run. So far, my best is a 12.48 with 2 people in the car. Jordan Miles, out hanging out, having some fun with me today. Anyway, we're going to see if I got to beat that Golf R time. My best Golf R time was here in 2022, did a 12.45. This with 2 people in the car just did a 12.48, so it's definitely possible. On paper, this is supposed to have a 12-second quarter mile flat in ideal conditions. I would absolutely love it if I get 11.9. I don't know if I'm going to get there, but secondary goal is beat the Golf.
Oh, 46. Oh my goodness. He matched it.
Listen to this. Holy crap. Look how lumpy it is. Oh. Holy crap. What a build on the Mark 1, holy moly. There goes Supra, an M2, 212. EUROKRACY. Even then, this is so nice. Look at the interior on this, wow. Holy moly, so gorgeous. Someone took a lot of care and attention to building this. We're in the top 100 area now, because these builds are incredible. So like the quality. Look at the interiors and the engine bay is just obscenely cool. Even look at the A-arm down there is even chromed out. Wild. Look Look at the build on the cabby. What motor is this? Do you recognize this? What motor is this? Holy cow. Can't believe the suspension. And the army green cabby. Wow. ET2 RS. Over here we got a 3RS. That's the brand new one too. Arrows. Hey, finally my first Lotus Emira I've seen in person. Nice red, nice spec. Dark red on black. Still get steel brakes. I wonder if carbon ceramics are an option. This one's a manual. Emira first edition. Alright. So we're doing drift tours this weekend? The drag strip is open! Oh, drag strip's open! Do a stack of tires. We got a portable tire change station right here at the track. Jack Nova tires. Never heard of Jack Novas before. Staged up here, like a Yaris and an Audi. That is a little underwhelming. It's not what I thought it would be. What did it do for a time?
Stock Yaris.
Yeah, I was expecting something built and nutty. Did an 18.2. I mean, it's not horrible, but I was expecting something a lot more spicy.